Have you ever set a health goal and wondered what weight you need to reach to achieve a specific body mass index, or BMI? While traditional BMI calculators determine your BMI based on your current weight and height, a reverse BMI calculator flips the script. It helps you find the target weight corresponding to your desired BMI and height. Understanding your ideal weight is crucial for setting realistic health and fitness goals. Whether you're aiming to lose weight, gain muscle, or maintain your current physique, knowing the exact weight that aligns with your target BMI can provide clarity and direction. So, how does a reverse BMI calculator work? The formula is straightforward. Weight equals BMI times height squared, divided by 703. In this equation, weight is in pounds, height is in inches, and BMI is your desired body mass index. For example, if you're 5 feet 7 inches tall, which is 67 inches, and aiming for a BMI of 22, the calculation would be weight equals 22 times 67 times 67, divided by 703, which is approximately 141 pounds. This means you'd need to weigh approximately 141 pounds to achieve a BMI of 22 at your height. Using a reverse BMI calculator is especially beneficial for weight management, setting precise weight goals for weight loss or gain, fitness planning, tailoring workout and nutrition plans to reach a specific BMI, medical guidance, understanding weight targets for health conditions related to BMI. It's important to note that while BMI is a useful tool, it doesn't account for factors like muscle mass, bone density, or fat distribution. Therefore, it's best used in conjunction with other assessments and professional medical advice. For a user-friendly and accurate reverse BMI calculator, visit healthcalculators.com. This tool simplifies the process, allowing you to input your height and desired BMI to instantly see your target weight. Take control of your health journey by setting informed and achievable goals. Start today with the reverse BMI calculator and move one step closer to your desired well-being.